Hello, Mrs. Wiley's class. This is a quick video to show you how to do in-text citations as well as a works cited page for your Edgar Allan Poe project. So to start with, we're going to work on our in-text citations. You can see right here, you need an in-text citation after every quote you use. You should be using lots of quotes. So my first quote comes from the Edgar Allan Poe website. And it comes from the very first clue, which is by Mary Louise Shue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the punctuation inside the quote, go outside, put a parentheses, the last name of the author, which is Shue, and I would typically put a page number, like Shue, 2, close parentheses. But if we look at the website again, we'll notice that there really is no page number. So for this in-text citation, all I'm going to do is put the last name of the author. Now I'm going to do this for every quote. So down here in my second quote, I'm going to follow the same process. Delete the inside punctuation, put a parentheses, the author's name, close parentheses, and a period. That's how you do in-text citations. Pretty simple. Now for the more complicated part. Now, even though your Edgar Allan Poe assignment is only 1 to 2 paragraphs long, you still need to have a totally separate page for your works cited. So if you come over here to the Insert tab and click Page Break, it'll give you a totally new page with the same page number at the top that you should have learned about in the MLA formatting video. Now, go back to Home, click Center, and type the title, which will always be Works Cited. After that, click Enter and left Justify again. Now, for this particular format, it's an electronic resource, so we're going to follow a different set of rules. We will, once again, start with our author's last name and then her first name. So Mary Louise Shue, we'll go to Shue, Mary Louise. Then you put a period after the name. After that, because this is a part of a website, we're going to put the title of the article that it came from. So, letter to John Henry Ingram. On my paper, I'll put a quote, put letter to John Henry Ingram, put a period, close quote. Then I need the title of the website or the web page. If I go to the top, I can see the title of the whole website is Poe Museum. The title of the web page is Students. So I need the web page title, not the website title, so I will put Students, and notice I put it in italics. Lastly, I need to put the publisher. The publisher is the people who made the website. You can see at the top we have Poe Museum, but just to make sure they're the actual publisher, I'm going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom. I'm going to look in the corner where it says Poe Museum, and it's always near the copyright information. Where you see copyright, that's where you're going to find the publisher. So in this case, the publisher is the Poe Museum. Then I put the date of creation of the website. Now, sometimes this can be really hard to find on a website, so when in doubt, just go with the copyright year, okay? It's the most recent date that we can find, and I'll be fine with it for now. So, the year they put is 2014. I'm going to put a comma after the publisher, and then put 2014. Then I end with a period. Next comes the medium of publication, which means what format was this made in? On the web, in print, and this was in the web. I put another period, and finally the last thing I need to put is the date of visitation, which means what day did I look at the website, which would simply be today's date. Just like an MLA formatting on your paper, you write the date a little differently. You put the date first, then the month, and then the year. After that, I would go back up, find my other source, right here, and then cite that one as well. And that is how you do a works cited page. Have a good day.